majority of Ghanaians are completely outraged at the slightest suggestion of the prospects of the state accommodating homosexual conduct. A few have asked the question, why should what two consenting adults do in their privacy concern anybody or the law? That, without more, is most unfortunate and thoughtless. So is it regrettable to think it is showbiz and okay for a young woman to reveal so much of what is dubbed her private part in public in the name of entertainment. In her case, it wasn't about showing too much up her chest, but she was actually naked beneath on stage and applauded. My guests have rare competence to deal with the subject of homosexuality, but it